nomor 1923-1043 kelas B.
Okay, we will discuss the material about language change,
language shift,
and language maintenance. Okay,
watching.
Language change. Language change is a process of change that occurs in linguistic elements over time. Language change is a subdiscipline of comparative linguistics. Kinds of language change. Nomor 1, phonological change. Phonological change is a language phenomenon that occurs because language users change the distribution of phonemes in a language. Example phonological change. Seperti bahasa gaul yang ada di kota-kota besar, contohnya, emangnya kenapa ada yang salah? Bukan begitu maksud gue. Kata emangnya itu seharusnya tulisannya memangnya, dan kata gue bermakna aku. Nomor 2, morphological change refers to change in the structure of words, classification of words, and the units that make up words. Example morphological change. Nomor 1, replacement, which is composed of re, place, and mens. Nomor 2, walked, from the elements walk and add. Nomor 3, syntax change. Syntactic change is a type of natural language variation that refers to change in grammar of a language. Example syntax change. Both of them love each other. Explanation. In this example sentence, the subject is both of them. Both of them the phrase. The verb is verb 1, namely love word, and the object is each other, one another phrases. All components of the subject, verb, and object that sequentially show the syntax. Nomor 4, vocabulary change. The language change that are most easily seen are in the area of vocabulary. Vocabulary change can mean adding new vocabulary, losing old vocabulary, and change the meaning of words. Example vocabulary. Nomor 1, kata cleanest dalam bahasa Inggris dibentuk dari kata clean. Nomor 2, kata gel dari gel. Nomor 3, kata frigidaire dari frigid plus air. Nomor 5, semantic change. Semantic change, common semantic change are in the form of change in the meaning of lexical item that may change completely, within, or even narrow. Example semantic change. Nomor 1, pada kata holiday asalnya hanya bermakna hari suci yang berkenaan dengan agama, tetapi kini bertambah dengan makna hari libur. Nomor 2, pada kata saudara, pada awalnya hanya bermakna orang yang lahir dari ibu yang sama, tetapi kini berarti juga kamu, seperti dalam kalimat surat saudara sudah saya baca.
Language shift conquer the problem of using language by a speaker or a group of speakers that can occur as a result of moving from one speech community to another. Example illustration of language shift. Putri and Sarah are two students in Malang from North Sumatra. When they first arrived in Malang, they did not understand the Javanese language at all, so both of them were forced to ask Indonesia to communicate with the people around them, call it friends, romantics, and neighbor. If it's just the two of them, they can indeed ask their mother tongue, which is the language Mandailing. Language maintenance denotes the continuance of a language in the face of competition from a regional or social more powerful language. Example of language maintenance. The same as illustration linguists shift the movement of someone to a place, the transfer of the mother tongue to the linguist commonly as in that place in order to facilitate communication in daily activities.